Veeam Games Inc. do not use vSphere tags in their current vSphere setup. They have decided to dynamically scope their virtual machine backup jobs using vSphere tags, which Veeam Availability Suite capability will satisfy this requirement. So this is interesting, right? Because technically, backend replication will be doing the backups using vSphere tags, but if we think about it, what are they actually asking us here? How we're going to go and do this tagging now? Obviously, I could go and start doing manual tagging. That's not really anything that's overly dynamic. So let's take a look at the options here. Protection groups. That's something for deploying agents, right? No relation. Failover plans. That's for replicas. No connection to this either. Application groups. This is for virtual labs, your backup jobs. So we only really have business view categorization left, which we can use with Veeam 1 to go and take our categorizations and dynamically, automatically tag those virtual machines in vSphere based on the categorizations that we've already done in Veeam 1. So I'm going to go with option 2, business view categorization.